everybody, my name is Malcolm Teasdale. I am a public speaker. Most recently, I've been doing enrichment talks and educational talks for various cruise lines around the world. That's what I do. I talk about destinations, foreign cultures, and business, things like that of interest, but mainly destinations around the world. Fortunately, I've been to about, scary, but almost 100 countries. And I've learned a lot from those experiences, whether I was there on business purposes or adventure purposes. I've learned a lot along the way. It's my quest to learn how the rest of the world works. The story continues.
Called Beyond the Podium, and we have an absolutely amazing Beyond the Podium speaker to enrich and enthrall you with his travels and his expertise. I'm here with Malcolm Teasdale.
Hello there.
Nice to have you with us.
Very nice to be here too.
You come to us originally from the UK.
That's right, Coventry, England.
And then now you are a resident of Destin, Florida, that place.
That's right.
Well, I think many of our guests on both sides of the pond will be able to relate to that and to you. And you have such a myriad of interest and expertise, and we were kind of trying to cobble together exactly what all you were going to talk about, but today is going to be your first talk.
I've seen this picture. Malcolm Teasdale. I won't talk too much about me. I've been living I'm British, but of course I've been living in the United States for 34 years, so I just sound like an American. What do you mean?